Little Tommy Tucker sang for his supper, voice so sweet it could melt the butter, but the bread stayed dry. Oh why, oh why? Sing it high, sing it low, where'd the jam and jelly go? Tommy sings but doesn't know. With a tune so bright the moon turned shy, stars leaned in just to say hi, but his belly still rumbled. Oh, poor guy. Sing it loud, sing it true, Tommy's voice paints skies so blue, but no pie, no stew. He dreams of cookies on silver trays, cakes that dance in sugary haze, but dreams don't fill an empty plate. Oh Tommy, what's your fate? Sing it high, sing it low, where the jam and jelly go? Tommy sings but doesn't know.